Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and share with others. So this video will be regarding PhD and integrated PhD applications at IISER Thiruvananthapuram. So I will discuss one by one. So PhD is basically for those who have completed their MSc or like they are in fourth semester of MSc, and integrated PhD is for those who have qualified their BSc only. Okay, so let's see for PhD. So this is the detailed advertisement. Applications are invited for highly motivated students for admission to PhD program of IISER. If so, according to me, if you are really interested into research, you should prefer IISERs because IISERs are mainly for research things. So you should go for IISERs. I'm not saying you should only choose this one, but you should choose other IISERs. There are many good IISER, Bhopal, Pune, others. Okay, so they have given their general eligibility criteria. So there are 3 points. Okay, so for chemical sciences you either need 1 and 2 together or 3 alone. So what are these? You must have 7.5 CGPA in 10-point scale or first class equivalent or first class master degree in relevant area as declared by respective university. Okay, if you have this, is good. The other qualification you must have is the candidate must have qualified at least one of the examination like CSI, UGC, UGC-NET or GATE. Okay, so if you have GATE qualified or CSI, UGC-NET and you have this much CPI, you are eligible to apply. Okay, if you do not have these two, and this third one is very good opportunity for those who have qualified from IITs, IC, IISER. You do not need like CSR, UGC, NET, GATE. If you have only done your MSc from IIT, then that is good enough. You are allowed to participate in interview. Okay, so the final selection for chemical science student will be on the basis of 2 round of interviews. Okay, and the research areas for chemical science are huge. Main group chemistry, synthetic method for organic synthesis, asymmetric catalysis. Catalysts are these days very important. Organic synthesis, supramolecular chemistry, this is also very important. Electrocatalyst, 2D materials, asymmetric process synthesis, DNA nanotechnology, photochemistry, organic synthesis, theoretical chemistry, supramolecular chemistry, supramolecular catalyst, bio-inspired coordination chemistry, reaction mechanism investigation, 2D hybrid materials, novel synthetic material. So what are the possible topics of research? All are here available. So that's a good thing. You will have opportunity to select according to your preference. Okay, so I have said that first they will select you on the basis of marks and there will be 2 rounds of interview. Okay, so there are some important dates. Okay, so you can apply from 25 May. Last date is 26 June and tentative date for the interview is 12 to 15 June 2021. Okay, so there are some other general information. You must have to complete their application form and you must submit, press the submit button, don't forget it. Okay, so the fees is 500 for general OBC candidate and 250 for SC/ST and physically handicapped students. Okay, so okay, if you belong to some reserve category, you must have to upload your uh, supporting document too. The next one is integrated PhD admission. Okay, so application are invited from highly motivated students for admission to integrated PhD program. Okay, so eligibility is bachelor's degree in the relevant areas with minimum of 50 marks for general OBC and NCL candidates with a minimum of 50% marks for SC/ST PW candidate. Okay, for chemical science you must have general ability, means you must have this much amount of marks, and your selection will based on the 1 round of interview if you have qualified JAM examination. Okay, so candidates shortlisted will be required to appear 1 or 2 rounds of interview, and if you have qualified JAM examination, so you will have to appear for only 1 round of interview. Okay, so other details are the same approx, uh, but the date of interview is different. It is 6 to 9 July for integrated PhD and other document, other information you can read, I will attach the description link in the sorry, this link in the description box. Okay, so I hope you have found this video useful. So please subscribe to my channel for further updates, and please share with your friends. Thank you.